Aloha peoples. Negi here with Stitch. Yes, the bike has finally earned a name. Since our last destination is going to be Hawaii for now, Stitch will get me all the way there. Just said goodbye to my bunker biker family. Heading out here towards Prosperity, South Carolina today. Should have a pretty nice and warm day. Well, it's going to be a sunny day, so I'm expecting myself to warm up. Going to be in the 60s Fahrenheit, obviously. And I got everything all packed up, ready to go. And they were some of the most generous folks I have stayed with. I appreciate them so much. Alright, here I am near Holly Hill, South Carolina. I think it's like near Orangeburg. Chilling out at Dollar General parking lot for a bit, catching a breather. It is cold. It hasn't hit 60 degrees yet. We're still in the 50s. I'm just taking a breather, letting my hands warm up a little bit. I don't want to pull out my winter gloves. And yeah, I wanted to also double check, make sure everything was tied down properly, because you know, don't want to lose anything. But yeah, still got about a little over 2 hours, about 2 hours 15 minutes I would say to my destination, but I don't need to be there until 4 or 5 o'clock, so I'm doing good. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna relax, take it easy, enjoy the sunny day as best I can. See ya. These winds today are real serious. Every time I come to a spot like this, with no trees except all the way back there, that wind kicks me right up and pushes me right across the way. I can feel it starting to whip right now. Oh man, I hope I don't have to deal with this all day long, but it is what it is. I am in the hills. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a whole neighborhood back there tucked away in the hills, and it's just, oh, this is gorgeous. And I know I'm going to be getting towards the Smoky Mountains in these next days, so I'll be sure to show off as much of that as I can. Oh man, I feel like I should have just gone into that neighborhood, not even though there's no reason for me to be there. It was just so I can go up and down a hill. Do some back roads in Lexington, South Carolina right now. So I think it's like a suburb of Columbia. And it's a very nice area, not gonna lie. I just drove past a really large church. I wish I could have got on camera, but yeah, I wasn't fast enough. But let's see what else we got going on here. Catching my lunch today at this place called Rush's, which I think is a fast food chain. Never heard of it before. Oh, they even have a Sonic. Yeah, I've never heard of this place before, so I was like, you know what? I want to try it out. I want to see what it is, you know? This is a Rush's cheeseburger. Rush's, R-U-S-H''S. Their basket comes with coleslaw, and fries. I just got myself water. The drink's extra, so that comes out to almost less than $10. It's not bad though. It's a full burger. Lettuce, tomato, pickles. I don't think there's any onion, but it has mayo, mustard, and I picked up some ketchup. I always forget that there are parts of the United States where ketchup is kind of an afterthought. And this place is very busy. Was not expecting that. I mean, but it is kind of lunchtime, so. Oh. There's the onions. Aloha. Yeah, I just finished up lunch there at Rush's, which apparently is a fast food chain that's only in like a small region of South Carolina. It's only on, like, I guess the western side of South Carolina or something. So I'm glad I got to try it out. I enjoyed it. It's pretty good. Would definitely say if you're in the area and you get the chance to try it, go for it. And they have a really good selection. It's like, it's not just burgers. They also have like chicken and like chicken dinners and stuff like that. And I think they had a couple other things, but didn't really stand out that well to me. Oh, but I did end up grabbing some of their ice cream before I left. And soft serve ice cream that they have there. I got myself a Oreo sundae, which they did good. They know how to put Oreos in their cups. So I enjoyed that. If anything, I would say go try it out for that, because it's not crazy expensive either. And even their soft serve cone, it's a pretty good size. Here I am at, I think it's called Lake Murray Park. They got all this nice fencing up here. I guess they don't want people walking that way. And it's a nice, quaint, small spot. It's just for walking, though. It's not really much of a park, in my opinion. But you might be able to see up there on that fence. They have a lock. I guess you'd call it like the lover's lock kind of fence, or people put a random padlock or whatever up there, and that thing is covered. Yeah, so I can see this has some sentimental value to the locals at the very least. It's nice. Not really much here though, sad to say, but time to continue on. Alright, checked out this building. I didn't actually go inside or anything. St. Lutheran or St. Peter's Lutheran Church. 1794 apparently is when it was constructed. Very nice and beautiful church, if I do say so myself. Now I'm heading towards the nearby state park. Just check it out, you know. And then after that, I'll be heading over to the Bunker Biker family around 4 o'clock or so. I'm in no rush whatsoever. I'm just enjoying these like in and out little exploration points. Pulling up here. There we go.
Warm out right now.
Yeah.
A lot different than the last couple of days.
How's
it going?
It's going good. How about you?
We didn't end up riding. My son got some concert tickets, invited us over to Raleigh, and we went and saw Bob Weir concert last night. So,
oh, nice.
that's where we just got back from.
That works. I'm glad I was able to stay here for the night, though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. That's no problem. I work over here. Actually, I'm just about here every day.
Okay.
I do engineering work for parts off of any one of them and put it on the other. You know, so that's what I did when I bought this bike. I started discovering I could take all the sport bike parts and put on there. And so I just started hot rodding it. I go out to Flea Bay and find everything you can find, you know, like cams out of the race bikes and carburetor jetting, you know, find out what that is. It's a speed triple pipe on it, and you know, all kinds of different parts. And I just bought everything off of eBay. The front end came, you know, is a twin rotor, 95 horsepower now. It came from about 70 from the factory. But that one was supposed to have a thing for them, because that's what you started out with, right?
Yeah. All right, walking down to check out the nearby lake and I guess dock area as the sun is setting currently. It's coming up on 7 p.m. if not already at 7 p.m. Yeah, this is a Very beautiful area. Gotta love that evening glow. Do apologize for the shaky cam. I am just using the phone now. Anyway, let's see what this dock's looking like. Sunset Park site. Well, don't be littering around down here. It's, I guess, a boat launch and has a small little dock down there. And a little picnic bench way over there. That wind is frigid. I can kind of see intermixing the trees back there. They got a nice little dock area to just kind of hang out on. This is very quaint. Not a bad spot. Got a lot of folks out there with their own private docks and whatnot. Very beautiful. I was tempted to go for the bigger, the double burger. I'm glad I didn't do that.